mis amores, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the BOXYCHARM by Ipsy for the month of May, and I have it right here. It's pretty heavy this month, and she thick a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing today, and let's get started. It flew out. So now this month we actually do have a little card. So this month's theme is Let Yourself Bloom. So inside this little pamphlet it has myths and facts about sunscreen and how to use it and stuff like that. Whoa. So this is what everything looks like, just a little overview so you guys can see. And I'm just gonna grab the first thing in here. So this is the Evia Beauty Perfect Primer Matte Finish. That's funny. This little says like pore, like pores. Perfect. I don't know. I think that's really funny. So this Evia primer has the value of $24. It is a moisturizing matte finishing primer. That is very interesting because most moisturizing like primers are dewy or radiant kind of primer. So we're gonna see. I'm really excited to try that then, because I do love a matte finish. It says that it has green tea, so it reduces the size of your pores and reduces redness on your skin. All right, so moving on to the next thing, we're gonna grab in here. So we have some brushes. So we have the MOTD cosmetic brushes, and it looks like we have a concealer brush, which is the little one, and then we have a bronzer brush. So let's open it up. Ooh, this is a very interesting shape. See how that's, I don't know if you guys can see how that's shaped. It's like a slant to it. Very soft brushes. And this is the concealer brush. Although in their app it does says that this is also a concealer brush. I don't know if maybe that was like a typo, but maybe it is. Even though this is a bronzer. The value of these two brushes, it's $30. So they come in a little bundle. So it says that this brush is designed for the curvature of your face, and it's supposed to make it easier for you to blend stuff. I can see that because since it's like tilted like that, that will be very interesting. All right, moving on to the next thing. Let's get it. Ooh, this is cute already. This is the Whispering Rose Luminous Blush 4 Colors Blush Palette by Violet Voss. Here we have it. Oh my god, this is so cute, and it's a matte packaging. It feels really sturdy and like it feels a little heavy almost. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. This palette retails for $43. Let's see how it swatches though. Here are the swatches. This last one though, the formula of it feels a little different. It feels like extremely smooth. And I really like that. So moving on to the next thing. This is the iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is nice. So this palette retails for $40, and oh my goodness, so beautiful. It does say that these colors are pigments. Let's try out Blue Dragon. Let's watch this one. Ooh, that color is beautiful. Ooh, let's do Paradise. Paradise is this one right here. There we go. Alright, so we should have one last thing in here. So let's see what it is. This is a Transluce Beauty Playa Dreams Duo Highlighter. So this retails for $26. It has a pale gold shimmering shade and a warm rose gold. It has vitamin E, jojoba oil, and it claims that it lasts all day. So this is really cute. And this is what the back looks like, and it tells you the name of both of the highlighters. Look at this. It has a little, ooh, fancy. That's really cute. It also has a mirror. I'm really liking how all of these little like face palettes have mirrors on them. I love it. The little cream one has a little opening, so I guess it won't make a mess or something. This is the cream one and this is the powder one. That's the cream one up there, and this is the powder one. So that's all of the products in the box. So let's try them on and see how they look, see how they wear, see how they function, okay? All right guys, so let's go. I was like talking for like a good minute and then I realized I was not recording, but I'm glad I didn't start like doing my makeup. Anyways, so my skin is already prepped and everything, so we're just gonna start, and we're gonna start with the primer. So yeah, this primer does says that it's vegan, reduces redness, is cruelty free, silicone free, moisturizing and soothing. As you can see, I have some redness going on, so I'm taking about this size. Maybe that's a little too much, but that's how much I'm taking. It doesn't have a smell. It feels like a moisturizer on my skin, on my hands. I'm just gonna dab and then rub. Yeah, I think maybe that was a little too much. Alright, I'm gonna take the excess of my hands because I apply a little too much, Maybe it's like the placebo effect, but I do feel like it made my pores like, I don't know, my skin looks a little more smoother. I don't know about the redness though. Let it settle. I do have to say this primer is a little thick. She's a little thick, you know what I mean? Like, it feels like a moisturizer when you put it on your hands, but then when you apply it to your face and start like putting it in, it does feel a little thick. Not too much, but while it dries pretty fast. It dries pretty fast. So as soon as I put it on my skin, I felt it like started to like want to dry. So you gotta be a little quick with it. Since this is a matte finish primer, I thought I will use a matte foundation, so I'm using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. I literally look like a raccoon. Alright, so I put the foundation on. I don't think this foundation is so light. Dude, I have to, this is my winter foundation, okay? Don't judge me. Whatever. Anyways, I put the foundation on. It went on pretty smoothly. It looks good to me. I don't see any patchiness or anything like that on my skin. So let's try out the concealer brush. So this side is blending pretty smoothly. The only thing I would say, go over the edges with the bigger foundation brush, because since this brush is so small, it doesn't really blend the edges as well as it could. I think it looks pretty good. The brush is really soft. I personally like it. So moving on to the highlighter, I'm going to be using the Everlasting. This one is the cream highlighter, and this is the warm gold one that they have right here. Oh, this is really pretty. Let's try to see if you can build that up a little. Wow, this highlighter looks so pretty, y'all. It looks so pretty. It looks pretty natural. When you first put it on, it looks pretty natural, but I think you can make it so it's more like glowy if you build it up a little bit. I want to try putting some of the powder one on top. The cream highlighter was very easy to blend. I do, ooh, whoa, whoa. This has like a glow. It's not even like shimmery, it's just a glow. Let's try the big bronzer brush. I'm gonna see how it does because it's so interesting to me. That's very precise. I don't know how I feel about this brush. I my first thought earlier was like, oh, this would be great for cream bronzer, and I think that would be the craze because it seems a little bit dense. It would definitely work for like cream bronzer. I feel like for powder it's very precise, but I feel like you have to go over it with the like your like just your powder brush, because it can get a little bit harsh. At least for my taste, it can get a little bit harsh. Let's go into the Whispering Rose palette, and I don't know what blush should I do. Let's try this one. It's like a very bright pink. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but let's try it out. I'm not sure if it's showing on the camera, but this is actually very pigmented. Like, I hope all of them are like this, but this went very smoothly on my skin. It's not patchy at all. Like, it's not patchy at all. So far, the only thing that I have not really liked is that big like concealer brush, and it's not even that I don't like it. I think I just used the wrong product with it, to be honest. All right, so we're gonna move on to the palette. I'm gonna take the color Warm Sand. I'm gonna go in with the color Ocean Deep, and it's this beautiful, beautiful green right here. That is such a pretty color. It blends pretty good. I do have to say that color did give me a little bit of trouble, like just fully blending in. But it ended up blending in good. Yeah, there's no fallout at all. Honestly, with this kinds of darker color, I already expect for there to be fallout on my cheeks, because usually that's what happens, but we don't have any fallout happening, and that's a great sign, okay? And it doesn't look patchy and anything like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Blue Lagoon. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Whoa. So now I'm gonna take the color Golden Hour, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I just put some lashes on and did my eyeliner. Honestly, the colors are so beautiful in this palette. I really like those like beautiful pigment shimmery shades. I mean, they're kind of like metallic. They're kind of metallic. Well, yeah, if you look at them, they're more metallic than like shimmers. But I really love like the formula. It's really good. I mean, the shadows were not that hard to blend. I did have a little bit of trouble with the green color, but I think it's because of the brush that I was using. So I just kind of switched over a little bit to the more fluffy brush and just to blend the edges out, and I had no problem with that. Those shimmery shades, oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous. The box in total was worth $163. That's a pretty good, I would say. I mean, we have boxes that were a little bit over that, but overall I really did enjoy using all the products in this box, and I don't really have anything too bad to say about them because they were all pretty good. So they did really good on this box this month. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and comment down below. And I see you guys the next time. Mwah. Be happy and smile.